Hello and welcome to Project Mettle Works. In today's video I want to go to the second part of why we use the word metal in projects. This time it will be to look at an organisational type of project, e.g. a longer project, or a project which has a team of people involved. But firstly let's look at the word metal and the definition. It means someone who can cope with difficulties, is determined and focused. And whether it's a personal one or the organisational one, the one we're looking at today, they both mean the same. Although the definitions for the two things, personal, organisational, are slightly different, you can apply either or to each one. So the first letter in metal is M, which means to motivate your team throughout the project. You must always motivate your team in every aspect of the project and through the life of the project. Management and motivation of the team is paramount. By motivating the team will do their job. They will do what you like, and it helps the project, and it helps you. The second letter in metal is E. This is to execute effectively and efficiently everything within the project plan. So as you follow the project plan, always execute and do it efficiently and effectively, and stick to the plan wherever possible. There will be times when the plan changes, but still execute effectively and efficiently throughout. The third letter in metal is T. This is tirelessly undertake all the engineering, the design, the quality, the regulatory requirements, and ensure that these are carried out throughout the project and delivered at the end. You must do this tirelessly through the project. Never miss anything that is in the design or the quality, and always comply with regulatory compliance and regulations wherever the product may be going. And this will change from project to project. The fourth letter in metal is T, time. Manage your time effectively, and as a project manager, delegate to your team. Let your team undertake the jobs that they are doing. Do not micromanage. To micromanage is to hinder your team, is to keep them penned in, because if you're micromanaging something, they're not being able to do what you want them to do, because they're not quite sure what you're doing. So, stand back, delegate to your team, and let them do their job. This will then give you time to do what you need to do, which is to manage. Look at it a bit like an orchestra. You're the conductor of an orchestra, and you're going to conduct the players in the orchestra and get the best out of them. It's the same in a project. You're the conductor, they are the players within the orchestra. So conduct them. Let them play, let them do their bit, what they do best. Don't hinder them. Don't try and play every instrument yourself. You can't. And it will just eat your time, and then you won't be able to do the things that you need to do. So, manage your time effectively. The fifth letter in metal is L, lifecycle. Always monitor, control and mitigate right from day one. This is the same as when you're doing it in the personal, 6 letters. And it's the same for every project, whether it be a personal or an organisation. You must monitor, control and mitigate as you move through the different stages of the project. It is continuous. And there will be difficulties and there will be hurdles, but take them as you go along. And if you can foresee them, great, but always monitor everything around you, control it and mitigate it where necessary. The sixth letter, E, end. Keep focused on the end of the project, but at the same time, the key thing, especially in construction projects and big projects that involve lots of people working outdoors, on sites, high up, with heavy machinery, etc., safety. When you end your project, your key thing is to ensure the safety of everybody. That is paramount. Yes, drive to the end, but never put safety second. Safety is number one. So get to the end of your project with everybody safe. So I hope these 6 letters stay with you and give you an aid to what you need to do. It's not everything, but we'll be going through different stages of a project, and next week we'll look at what should a project manager do first. And we'll go through, because that is different depending on when the project manager comes into the project. But we'll go through that in detail in the next video. Also, if you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments box down below. In addition to that, I have a question that I will place at the bottom of this video for the next video, and if you want to have a read of that and make some suggestions, I'll try, if possible, to incorporate that into the next video. And again, the next video will be, what is the first thing a project manager does when he joins a project, when he is given the job of a project manager? Well, that's it for now, and we will do another video which will be posted next week, so look out for that and take care and be safe. Bye for now.